Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing what might just be the best ergonomic Bluetooth mouse out there, the TECKNET Ergonomic Wireless Bluetooth Vertical Mouse. If you're someone who spends long hours on the computer, whether working or gaming, and you care about your wrist health and productivity, this might be the game changer you've been looking for. Right out of the box, the TECKNET Vertical Mouse makes an impression with its unique upright design. Unlike traditional mice, this mouse encourages a natural handshake position for your wrist. That near vertical angle helps reduce pressure on the tendons and nerves, something that can be a lifesaver for anyone dealing with carpal tunnel or general wrist strain. But comfort is just one part of the equation. This mouse is also all about performance. Let's talk connectivity. The TECKNET mouse comes equipped with triple connectivity modes: Bluetooth 5.0, Bluetooth 3.0, and 2.4 GHz wireless with a USB-A receiver cleverly stored on the bottom of the mouse. You can switch between up to 3 connected devices seamlessly with the click of a button. This is incredibly convenient for people who work across a laptop, a tablet, and maybe a desktop at the same time. No more constant repairing or unplugging dongles. Now, performance. This mouse features 6 adjustable DPI levels, ranging from 800 up to 4800. That means whether you're doing detailed graphic design or just browsing the web, you can dial in the exact pointer speed you want. And when you change DPI, the mouse gives you visual feedback with flashes of light that correspond to the DPI level you selected. Smooth, fast, and responsive on multiple surfaces, the optical tracking is rock solid. The left and right buttons are designed to be whisper quiet, which makes this perfect for shared workspaces, libraries, or late-night sessions when you don't want to disturb anyone around you. However, do note that the side buttons and scroll wheel are not silent, but that's a minor trade-off. Let's talk compatibility. This mouse works with Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, and Linux. Although the side buttons won't work on Mac OS, the core functionality remains intact across all systems. And the battery-saving features are smart. The mouse will enter sleep mode after about 8 minutes of inactivity. Just click to wake it up. You'll need 2 AAA batteries to power it, and TECKNET recommends using branded ones for longevity. There's even a handy low battery LED indicator so you won't be caught off guard mid-project. Design-wise, this mouse is strictly for right-handed users. The matte black finish gives it a sleek, professional look, and the 6-button layout provides plenty of flexibility for navigation and shortcuts. Whether you're using it for spreadsheets, video editing, or just general browsing, it adapts well to various workflows. And to sweeten the deal, TECKNET backs this mouse with a 36-month warranty. That's 3 years of peace of mind, and a testament to their confidence in the build quality. In summary, the TECKNET Ergonomic Wireless Bluetooth Vertical Mouse checks nearly every box. If you're in the market for an ergonomic mouse that delivers comfort, flexibility, and great performance, and especially if you're managing multiple devices, this might be the one for you. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech insights and product reviews just like this. See you in the next one.